I'm Justin Dom, an automation engineer here at Premier Automation.
And I'm Joshua Stoops. I'm a technical projects coordinator here at Premier Automation.
Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Here's my card.
Thank you. It's crazy we haven't seen each other in the 7 years we've been working here together.
I know, lots happened the last few months for me. I got married, sold my house, I moved, I had a kid. Well, my wife had a kid.
Wow, that's awesome. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Here, I've just been sitting here thinking about what I'm going to do for lunch after this.
Well, priorities, Justin.
Yeah, some things are clearly more important than others. As you heard in the opening, I'm Justin Dom. Today I'm joined by Josh Stoops. Thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me again for the third time.
And today, instead of social networking, we'll be talking about industrial networking. In the past, we've mostly talked about hardwired components on dumb engineering, but today we're going to be talking about the things that allow those components to talk between each other, specifically industrial networks. So devices like PLCs, drives, and HMIs, they have connections such as these that allow them to talk to each other and send much more advanced data over. So Josh, could you tell us a little more about the different types of networks?
Sure, there's three basic types. There's Ethernet IP, Profibus, and Profinet. However, you'll find others such as EtherCAT, Modbus, and ControlNet, along with many others. The most common type, though, is going to be your Ethernet IP. You can even find this in your own home or in your business. It's what connects your computers to the internet.
So this is an Ethernet cable. It has standard RJ45 ports, and it has 8 wires inside this cable. Can you tell us a little bit more about Profinet?
Sure, Justin. The Profinet is the green cable here on the table. It utilizes 4 conductors instead of 2 like Profibus. It is a lot faster than Ethernet, and it comes in either an RJ45 connector or an M12 connector.
Interesting. So there are also some devices that we use to go and connect many devices in a network, or sometimes to go and create different topologies. And those are switches and repeaters. This here is an Ethernet switch, so you can just plug a bunch of different Ethernet connections in there, and sometimes they work with Profinet too. And they'll allow all the devices to be accessed from one point. With Profibus, they use repeaters to split up the signal. And in cases of Profibus, the network has a topology of either a line where each device connects to the other one, like how Stoops mentioned the resistor on the end defines the end of the line, or they can ring topology, which allows them to talk in one big circle and have some redundancy. So in future episodes, we're going to go and cover more in-depth information about each of these types of connections. But for now, Josh, thanks for coming on the show again and helping explain these to us.
No problem, Justin. Thanks for having me.
Of course, anytime. And we'll see you next time on Dumb Engineering.